everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to curl up my straight Asian lashes. So in this method I'm gonna use three things. One is waterproof mascara base. This has to be waterproof. And one is waterproof mascara. This doesn't necessarily have to waterproof, but it performs better when this mascara is waterproof. And lastly, I'm gonna use this hot eyelash color. I'm using this Panasonic one. But let's get into the demo. So let me zoom in. So this is my lash condition. My lashes glow downward. So first, I'm gonna use this Cezanne Lasting Curl Mascara. I'm gonna use this as a mascara base. And I feel this mascara base is on the natural side. And I prefer more voluminous mascara base, like Can Make Quick Lash Color. But I'm gonna put my recommendations down below. So first, I'm gonna put this mascara base. So I put the mascara base and I'm gonna let the base dry. This creates the grip for the next mascara. So it is very important to let this base dry. And next I'm gonna put the main mascara, which today I'm gonna use this Clio Key Lash Waterproof Mascara in sleek volume. So this method works when this main mascara is not waterproof, but I prefer waterproof mascara because waterproof mascara is very good at keep my lashes curled up. So if you are struggling to keep your lashes curled up, I'm gonna definitely recommend the waterproof mascara. So the mascara base is now dry. So let's put this main mascara. I prefer more voluminous lashes, so I tend to put this mascara twice before using hot eyelash color. So this is the second coat. And I'm gonna use this Panasonic hot eyelash color and press this applicator against the lashes. This hot eyelash color curled my lashes. And same with this eyes. And if you want more volume, you can repeat this cycle. So this is a finished look. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So see you on the next video. Bye.